Alright, let's get it. Okay. You ready?
What?
Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Don't bite it. Go ahead. You pick it up. Okay. Yeah, thank you. I'm getting it out right now. Unscrew this.
Buddy.
Mm-hmm. Don't touch that. Okay. The train. Let me get the other one. I get this one out. Hold on.
Head to the gold mine.
Awesome. Is that cool or what? Okay, so we go on the track. Hey, we're gonna put it on the track. He's gonna go on the track. Vroom, vroom, on the track.
Chug, chug, chugging along.
What?
Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Rock. Wow.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, come over here.
My job is to haul materials to and fro. Just watch. I'll haul materials with all my might. Chug, chug, chug. All in and out. Through the tunnel. Haul materials to and fro. Just watch.
Here.
Look, bud. Look, bud.
Ow.
What happened, son? No. Okay. It all put together for you. Let's try that clutch. You ready?
Head to the gold mine.
Okay, let's get it put together. Alright, so, see, it's gotta look like that, look. It's gotta look like that. So we take, yep, that piece right here.
I'll haul materials with all.
Let me try to volume down that, buddy.
What?
Choo-choo.
Be right there so it's not loud. Okay. Okay, first things first. Oh, I need that piece. Can you hand me the green piece? The green piece? The green. Right there. Yeah, right there. Okay, you want to put it on? Okay, it's going to go right here. So you put it in here like this. You go right in here, look. Oh, let's see. All right. Oh, it goes in here like this. Look, it goes like this. Okay.
Two.
Oh, look. See how this goes in there like that? Anyway.
Ride the track, follow the lines, get the materials to the
Now.
head to the gold
No,
mine.
now, wait, we gotta wait. Just sleeping. Let's wait till they wake up, okay? You can play with it, just wait. I don't want to make other noise, okay? It's not enough doing this.
That.
It's not, there we go. Hold on. Look. That's it. Now, hold on. It's not ready for that yet. You gotta put it together first. Look, I gotta put it together. See, now this goes over here. This goes right there. This is gonna go right here. Watch. Okay, now we need, let's see, I think we need this one. Yeah, we need this one. Yeah, this has gotta be this one. Look, we gotta use this one. It's gonna curve down, look. This one's gonna go like, this one, yeah. Watch. It's gonna go right here. Just don't step on it, it'll break, okay? There you go. Look, it's not ready. You gotta wait, buddy. You gotta wait. Let's finish building it first, okay? Move, come over here. Come over here. I'll show you. Come right here. I'll put it right here. There, you sit down right there. There you go. Sit right there. Daddy's gotta finish building it. Okay? Okay, go ahead. Just don't turn it on. There you go. Watch him do it here.
Wow! Watch out!
Just watch. Is that cool?
These.
It's for freight train. Choo-choo.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. What happened? Come here. What happened? What? Did you get your foot?
Head to the gold
Okay.
mine.
You like it? Is it cool? You want to finish putting it together? Get the rest of the track? Because look, I gotta get all this done. Okay. It's okay. Here, hold on. He's like, you're gonna be able to put stuff in the back of it? Like, this is your train? Look, let's get it finished. Let's finish putting, let Daddy finish putting it together first, okay? How about that? Let me finish putting it together. Okay, so now this piece. No. See, look. This round piece right here. Here's a round piece. See, look, this one goes right here. Boom, like that. Yeah, I'll tell you what. I'll put these up here so it's out of the way. How about that?
Bubble.
You don't need a baba boy. Mm.
That piece. How? That.
Oh, this is just gonna go over here. Okay, I got you. This goes. Oh, this goes on this. Look. Okay, this goes right here.
Baby. No, Daddy.
This goes like this.
What?
You can pick up stuff. Look. Right there. Yeah, watch, pick this up, go. You'll be pick that up. Yeah, yeah, there you go. Easy, easy. Look, watch. Cool. See? That's getting hot. Let's put the AC on now.
I did it.
You did it, buddy. Yes. Now, let me finish putting it together, okay? Let me get it together. You play the iPad? I'll play the iPad so I'll finish putting it together.
That. That.
Or a knife. Okay. Let me take. Yeah. There you go.
Piece. That.
Found a piece? There you go. There. The next piece is this. Look.
What?
No, not that piece. We gotta put this piece on here first. So we gotta put this piece. Watch. Now we put this piece. Look. You wanna do it? Okay, now you put this one on here. This one right there. Right there. Under it. See, look. It goes under. Like this. Watch. Watch. Push that down. And then just push the red part down, right? Oh. See here. Okay. Look, like this, look. Here you go, look. Done. See, like that. Now, green piece. Hang on. Oh, go give me that green piece right there. The green piece. You got it. What?
Green piece.
Yeah, the green one. You have it right there. Yep, that's it. Green. Yeah, okay. Now, you can do it. Right here. Real easy. Right here, like that. There you go. Yeah, right there. Oh, almost. Pick it up. Pick it up. Yep, right there. Good job, buddy. Hey, give me 5. You did it, bud.
Mama.
Okay, we need this one right here. We need one of these right here. Here, I'll give it to you. Wait. Here it is. We need that one here. Here, you put this in there. Right there. Good job, buddy.
That.
Hold on, now you need, hold on, you need a green piece. Look, now you need a green piece. Let me give you this one. No, hold on. Wait. Don't lose them. Just don't lose them, bud. Don't lose them. Put them right here. There you go. Oh no, use this one. You need this one right here, look. Hold on, wait. No, not that one. Not that one. You need this one, look. Hold on, you need this one. For the picture, you need this one. Right there, put that one there. Okay? And then, okay, now I'm gonna give you the next one. Ready? Here, you need this one. Yeah. Put that one down. you got it. You got it right there.
Nice.
It's okay. There you go. Yeah, right there. You did it. Yeah.
Mama.
More? Okay, now you need.
That.
Hold on. You need this one right here. This is the one you need right here. You need this one right here. It's gonna go like that. Okay, this one's gonna go like. Yeah, like this. Look, no, don't touch it. Don't pick it up. Put this one right there. Yeah, push it down. Right there. There you go. Yeah. Good job, buddy. Okay, are you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, now you need one of these. Look, right here, under it. It goes. This one goes under. Yeah. See? Right, like that. Okay. No, like that. Now push down on this. Push down. There you go. Yeah. Good. Good.
Mama.
You're doing awesome.
Two.
Okay, here. You need this one. This one goes right there. Right there. Yeah, just like this. Yep. Come over here. Yeah. There you go. Yep. Just like that. There you go. Okay. Now, next you need one of these. A yellow piece. This is color. The color is yellow.
Go.
Yellow.
Two.
Right there. Oh, other way. See? Yeah, there you go. Good job, buddy. All right. Next piece. You need this one.
Hey.
Oh, now see, look. This is called the female end. This is female end. Male. See how this sticks out? You gotta put this one. There you go.
Mama.
Okay, more? Alright, so next you need this one. Okay. And after that, okay, next one you need,
That.
no, not that one, hang on. Now you need,
That.
hang on. I'm looking for it. You better give me all the pieces.
That.
I'm going to be upset. No, not that one. Not that one. Hang on. Hang on. Right here. Hang on.
Yeah.
Hold on. Not that one. Not yet. Not yet, bud. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
Yeah.
Two. Hang on, buddy. Let me give you one. Here. Hold on. Put that one down. We gotta figure this out. Okay. So this one's going down here. So next we need to put, here, you need one more. So this one's gonna be like this. Okay, so we just need an extender. Alright, so we can do this one. Go down, put this one down there on the green one. Put that one on the green one. Okay. Like that. Yep. Yep. Like that. Good. Now put. Okay. Now. Okay. It's okay. You got it. You got it. Look, you did it. Look like this. Look. That's it. Now this one. Look. Now this one. Like that. Put that one on there. Just like that. Got it. Push it. There you go. Push. I'll get it. I'll get it. It's okay. I'll get it. Hold on.
Peace.
Hang on. There you go. Just kiss that. Okay, there. Okay, hang on. Okay.
None.
Not yet. Now we gotta do one of these. Now you gotta put this one right here, look. This one goes like, oh, let me fix that. Here, let me fix this one. Here, put this one on. It's kind of hard. Right there. Okay. And then, now I need this green piece right here.
Hi.
And this one goes right here, look. This one goes like this, look. Now this green piece, it's gonna go like this, because it curves like that. See? Okay. Now we need, now we're going to need, hang on. No, not that one. Well, this one right here. This one right here. We need this one, because this one goes like this, look. There you go, like that, look. Okay. Now we need
No.
another green piece. Look, now we need another green.
Green.
Right here, look. See, watch.
No.
Do you want to do it?
Mhm.
Okay, when you do it, here, I'll give it to you. Here, let me give you the next one. Here. Those are just tough. Those are tough ones.
Good.
Okay, here. This right here, look. This is you, bud. Look.
Bow.
Here, you want to put this one on? Come here. Here, look. This one goes under there. Look. Here, put that one under here. See? Here, watch. Here, put it under. Here, just slide it under. Yeah. And you take this one. Yeah, slide it right there. Yep. No, go. Now push like this up. Push. There you go. Yeah, good job. Okay, now you need a red one. Come on, now you need this red one. Go put this red one over there like that. Right there. Nope, other way. This way, right, like that. There you go. Yeah. Good job. Bud.
Mama.
Uh-oh, wait. It didn't work. We're missing something.
What?
Hang on. It didn't work right. All right, hang on. Hang on, buddy. We gotta figure it out. Hang on. Let me try something real quick. There we go. Okay, there we are. There we are. I got it. A brown piece. Like this. Awesome. Look at that. No, don't, baby. Don't make a mess. Hey, don't make a mess. Put that back over there. Don't make a mess. Hang on. Okay.
Baba.
Yeah. Yeah. Here, I'll finish it. There it is.
Light on.
Oh, no wonder we didn't put. We were supposed to put that one in there. Okay, I see. This one comes out here. Okay, okay.
Me.
Uh-huh.
My daddy.
Okay, hang on. I'm setting this up for you.
What?
All right, bud. I think it's done for now. You want to do it now? Watch this, watch. Watch, okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Here you go. All right, watch. You ready? Are you ready?
Ride the track, follow the track, anything for me.
What? Yeah. Where's the, okay. We gotta put this piece on. Oh yeah, then we gotta put this piece. Look. Right here. Watch. Look, bud. Here's this piece. Look. Oh, look. You can do it like this. Look. Your hammer. Watch this. The hammer is for this right here. Put it in that. Watch. Watch. Ready? It's going here. Look, it's gonna go right here. You ready? I see. You wanna do it? Put it right here. Put it right there. Wait till it comes around. Wait till it comes around. Wait. Here it comes. Wait. Hold on. I'll say you when. Get ready. Now. What is this? Okay. Hold on, we're gonna make one for that. Oh, cool. It can go down through there. That's neat. Okay. Hey, come here. Hey, you got more. Okay, so let's stop in there. That's loud. That's loud. Let's wait a little bit, okay? Hang on. Let's get out your... You like it? Oh, I totally forgot about the recorder. Oops, sorry. Sorry. But how does it look? Awesome. Eli, nice job putting that together, buddy. Okay, it's stuck. Alright.